Well, it actually started about 5 years ago where we brought community leaders together. There was clearly a need for a community teen and youth center. So we brought these leaders, we had some dialogue, and through that process, we ultimately came up with a vision of additional gym and meeting space for youth in the community. At that point, I actually met Bert Pearson, had some dialogue with him. He brought a team in and they worked with our team and some of these community leaders, and through that process, we created this vision of what we have today.
We knew we wanted definitely to have a teen and youth center, definitely needed another gymnasium. Our initial plan was pretty hefty. It was actually a $6 million expansion with a lot more rooms, but realized very quickly that our community just couldn't support that big of an expansion. So we scaled back, again, listening to what the community needs were, and really just honing in on what pieces we really needed, which were the teen and youth rooms, the gym, and the new studio that we're standing in right now.
What I really enjoyed with Arunas and his team was that they were sensitive to that. Let's build quality, but let's see how we can build it as efficiently as possible for the community. And at the end of the day, we came up with a model that was 100% funded by the community. And that tells me it was a win across the board.
The YMCA can't function without our community support, and we have that wholeheartedly, and so that's really nice to be able to have somebody like Pearson be in our community, support our community, and build for our community to meet the community needs, so it all comes together like a big holistic package. And I think that, to me, that's a blessing, because we have those resources in our community that are excellent and can do an excellent job, and then we can promote them also to others, because that all meets our community need together.
It was exciting to finally see it come to fruition. We had been fundraising for about 5.5 years. We were fully funded when we broke ground last June of 2020, but we had several delays. One was just weather delay. We were ready to go, but then it was almost winter time, so we decided to wait. And then COVID hit, and then we had to wait. So we had several delays along the way. So it was really exciting to actually see them break ground and get rolling, and actually now that it's done, it's really nice to see.
Working with Pearson again was very easy, kind of navigating through all of those barriers that came up and making the project get off the ground and continue to go. Even like our groundbreaking, when we did that, it had to be virtual, and so we were creative on that, and Pearson helped us to navigate that also.
Meticulous work, good follow through, great communication, a fun crew on site. So it was a pleasure working with Pearson.